Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming iOS is up to date so widgets are supported and stable. Once done, unlock your iPhone and navigate to the home screen or swipe right to Today View. Now long press an empty area or any app icon until the apps jiggle. This enters edit mode and lets you add, move, or restore widgets. Make sure you remain on the screen where you want the widget to appear. That choice determines whether it lives on the home screen or Today View. You're now ready to add or restore widgets. Tap the plus in the top left corner to open the widgets gallery. Scroll or search for the app widget you want, then pick a size, small, medium, or large, and tap Add Widget. Once added, drag it to the exact spot on the home screen or drop into Today View. You can also create or edit a smart stack by stacking widgets of the same size. If you need to customize, tap the widget while in edit mode to access its settings. Finish by tapping Done or pressing the home indicator to exit edit mode so your layout locks in. If a widget doesn't show or updates incorrectly, restart your iPhone and confirm the app's widget permission and background app refresh settings. These often fix refresh and visibility issues. As a final troubleshooting step, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset and choose Reset Home Screen Layout. This restores missing widgets without erasing personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.